I ensure that my entire family drinks the Aquaguard Active Copper water as it is beneficial for all age groups. After all, copper is known to have antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help to support healthy metabolism. And the Aquaguard Active Copper water ensures that we instantly get adequate amount of copper in our water as per BIS safety standards without the hassles of cleaning copper vessels. This purifier is also equipped with a superior multi-stage purification process. Its UVE boiling technology ensures water as safe as water boiled for 20+ minutes. And the ultrafiltration technology makes water crystal clear. The patented Mineral Guard technology retains natural essential minerals such as calcium and magnesium. This purifier has fetched me many compliments since it blends so beautifully with my kitchen, with its elegant, sleek design and metallic copper finish. This smart water purifier makes usage very easy by letting me know when the tank is full and when service is required. The Health Protect technology and genuine service ensures that the purifier always provides pure and healthy water. I use Aquaguard Service app to instantly schedule service requests for timely servicing. So let's add the goodness of copper to our body with every sip of water with the Aquaguard Active Copper Water Purifier.